In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning and protecting this vehicle using the help of some products which have been kindly sent to test out and get my honest thoughts on. So as always, I kick things off on the wheels by using a citrus pre-wash, and in this case it was the one by Shiny Garage, and a 1:9 dilution in my ACHQ sprayer. Next up, I went in with the Horticulture wheel cleaner and then the DIY Details APC on the tyres. I also put some of the Performance People Frontline shampoo in my bucket as well. The Horticulture wheel cleaner is really nice and powerful and does help to deal with some embedded iron contamination to really give the wheels a thorough clean. This was my first time using the DIY Detail APC, so I just decided to give it a go on the tyres, and although it worked fine, I didn't feel like it was the strongest product I've tried, and potentially a dedicated tyre cleaner would have worked a little bit better here. Once I'd finished cleaning the alloys, I also sprayed some Built Hamber Atom Mac at a 5% dilution in deionised water onto the brake discs, which just helps to reduce the amount of rust you get on them throughout the wash process, so they don't look quite as orange when the owner comes to collect the car. To start pre-washing the car, I again went in with that Shiny Garage citrus oil at the 1:9 dilution in the ACHQ sprayer. This is a really powerful product, so not something I would use on a maintenance basis, but to kick off a deep clean, it is a really good option. After the citrus had been allowed to dwell for a couple of minutes on its own, I then put Yum Foam over the top, and this really just serves to extend the dwell time. Yum Foam is pH neutral, so on its own doesn't have that much cleaning ability, but it does have one of the longest dwell times out of any snow foam that I've tried, so it's perfect for this kind of situation. Just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying the video so far, then it would be brilliant if you could drop it a like and consider subscribing if you are new here too. For the contact wash, I went in with Performance People's shampoo, and I didn't measure this out here, I just did a few glugs into the bucket, but anywhere from around 25 to 50ml is about right with this product for me. It's a really nice and slick shampoo and one that I've used quite a bit on my own car. It works equally well in the bucket and if you want to apply it in a foam lance as well, and did exactly what I needed it to do here. Once I'd been around the car with the mitt, I then went in with a few detail brushes to access more of the intricate areas, for example the front grille and some of the badges. Once I'd finished the contact wash, I went in with CarPro's Iron X and Garage Therapy's tar remover in order to give this car a chemical decon. I could definitely notice some of these iron and tar deposits on the paintwork after contact washing, as they are particularly obvious on white paintwork, so these stages serve to just brighten up the finish and make the paintwork feel a little bit smoother as well, so that the protection that I was applying later would last a little bit longer. Once I'd finished with the Decon chemicals, I just foamed up the car again, gave it a few minutes to dwell and then rinsed it off, and this just helps to remove any residue that might be left from those previous two stages. Before drying off the car, I went in with CarPro's Hydro 2 Light on the wheels just to add a little bit of protection really nice and quickly. The product that I'm using here to protect the car serves as both a sealant and a drying aid, and it is Soft 99's Raindrop, so you just spray a bit on the panel and on the towel as well, spread it around and then use a second towel just to dry off the panel fully. I've used this product quite a decent amount and it's great if you really just want to speed up this protection stage. From my experience, a realistic durability estimation with this product is about 6 to 8 weeks when applied to unprotected paintwork. It's not the cheapest product in the world, but considering how easy it is to use, it's quite a handy one to have. To dress the tyres and trim, I went in with Carbon Collective's sateen dressing. On the tyres, I applied it fairly liberally and then after around 20 minutes, knocked it back slightly with the Carscope tyre finisher block. I find that this leaves the perfect finish. And also this dressing does have pretty good durability, so is a decent one for this time of year too.